Hello all my crafty cuties and welcome back. As you can see, we have Midnight joining us here today, as he so often likes to do for our unboxings. Thank you so much, Midnight, for messing up my setup. That will be enough. Okay, now that that's over with and Midnight has got himself settled, I can continue with my intro. So, as you guys can see in front of you, and as you've already read in the title, this is a Sophie and Toffee Elves Club unboxing. If you are not familiar with Sophie and Toffee, I will be leaving their link in the description box below the video. So basically, Sophie and Toffee is a super awesome kawaii crafting site that delivers resin crafting products and other crafting products straight to your house from Japan. You can order them online. It is so simple and their products are so awesome. So I have been subscribed to their monthly crafting box for over a year now, but as you guys can see, I have been kind of busy lately, so the boxes have been piling up. But you guys, I have just had a quick peek inside a couple of these, and they are so awesome. I am telling you, I cannot wait any longer. So drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this box. Okay guys, so I'm going to admit I did take a peek inside like I already told you, so I have picked which box we are going to unbox first, and it is the July Elves box, and I'm so excited because you guys, the theme for July was magical girls. Could it get any better? So the recommended project for this month's theme is a magical wand / bottle and magical bezels. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to see them. So in every box, you get this little card that tells you exactly what you're getting inside, so you know that you're not missing anything, and it looks like we got a ton in this box. Another thing that I love about Sophie and Toffee is their packaging and how instead of using regular little packing chips, they use these colored ones. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. So the first thing that I am pulling out here is this awesome little measuring cup, and so this is, I'll tell you what it is. It is a silicone mixing cup, and it is actually funny because one of my friends just linked me these the other day, and I was like, well, I'm on a no spend, but I will put it on my wish list, and oh my goodness, now I have one for myself. So these are super awesome for mixing your resin, so you don't have to constantly buy little cups and throw them out, the disposable kind. This is going to be awesome. I do already have a larger one, but it does give me problems because it creates bubbles by the time you pour it out, especially if you're only mixing a small amount. So I am super happy about this. So the next item I see right here is, oh my goodness, look at these, you guys. Are they star clasps or keychains? Oh my goodness, let us see what they are called. So these are Magical Girl Gold Star Key Snaps 2 and Silver Star Key Snaps 2. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot wait to use these. Honestly, I don't even think I'll be able to sell the products I make with these. These are so beautiful. I absolutely love them. Oh, if I didn't mention it, and in case you didn't know, I do have a shop, and I do make and sell awesome kawaii jewelry like this necklace right here. So I will definitely be leaving the link for my shop in the description below. So the next thing I have pulled out of the box is these awesome Magical Girl bezels. Now it says on the sheet right here that we get Magical Girl gold bezels ×5 and Magical Girl silver bezels ×5. It also says that they are exclusive, and I can tell you guys, I have not seen these anywhere else, so I do believe that they are exclusive. So we do get those two silver ones there. We get these two gold ones over here, and oh my goodness, these ones are so pretty. I absolutely love them. I have actually never seen Magical Girl wand bezels that weren't open in the middle, open bezels. So would these be considered closed bezels? I don't know. So then we do get that same pack in silver. Oh my goodness, they are so pretty, guys. I absolutely love them. And then we do get this pack over here in gold, only it also comes with some wings down there. So I'm not sure if the wings Maybe the wings are behind that guy right there hiding. So one thing my little eye has spied in here is one of their Japanese soft molds, and I am so excited about it. You guys, these molds are so awesome. They are a little bit more expensive, you know, than some of the cheaper molds you can find on eBay and AliExpress, but you guys, they are so perfect. There is no defects on them, no fingerprints. You know you are going to get a perfect piece every time you use them. So I have two of their other soft molds, but I do not have this one yet. This must be a new one for 2018. And oh my goodness, look at that, you guys. You can create a whole bunch of magical wands. It looks like the middle one, the heart, could even be made into a shaker. That is so precious. You guys, I absolutely love this mold. It looks like we also get some pigments with this. I'm not exactly sure why they would have chose red and yellow for a magical girl box. Definitely not the colors I would have chose. I'm not sure if everyone got the same colors. Let's see, colored pigment dye ×2. So in some boxes, everyone gets the same colors, and then sometimes it just depends. So yeah, I'm not really sure about that, but you could always add white to this red to turn it to pink, which is probably what I'll do with it. So it looks like we also get one 25-gram UV resin, which is totally awesome because I know a few of their last boxes came with 3-part resin, and that is kind of more difficult for me. So we also get one container of the Magical Girl inclusions. So that is what they call these inclusions, and basically you just include them in your resin. I guess that's why they're called inclusions. Anyway, there's a bunch of moons in there, and I think there might be stars and other things, and they would look super cute in a resin shaker, or you can even put them right into the resin. So this month we also get, or that month I should say, we also get these little mini AB stars, and it looks like we've got some hexy glitter in there too. And then last but not least, we also get some heart sequins. Once again, it is AB and super cute. Okay guys, so here was the contents of our first box. This is everything that came in the July Magical Girl themed Elves box. I am super excited to use it, really happy to get myself some more resin, and really awesome to see some new products here as well. Okay guys, next we are going to jump into the October box because it is a spooky cute and I cannot wait to see it, and I know you guys are going to love it too. So first things first, as soon as I opened this box, I totally freaked out. I messaged a few of my friends right away because there are some items in here that have literally been on my wish list for years, no exaggeration. Okay, so this was the October Elves box. It actually didn't come till after Halloween, unfortunately, but that is okay because spooky cute is always awesome in my opinion. So this month's project is a coffin trinket box and a coffin lid shaker. Oh my goodness, that is so awesome. So not only do we get to make a resin coffin trinket box, but the lid is going to be a shaker. You guys, that is insane. So what is in October's box? A coffin trinket mold box. Hang on. Coffin trinket box with shaker lid, molds, exclusive. Wow. We also get S&T epoxy resin 2-to-1 ratio. We get their shaker oil, we get some pigment, we get some confetti, creepy cute stickers, a skull mold, a pumpkin mold, and some clear film. Okay, you guys, let's take a look at this. So here is one of the other molds that we saw listed on there. This is like a teeny tiny mold. Like, these are so small, I could even use these for nail art. So these are tiny little skulls. Not sure how well you guys can see them, but they are tiny little skulls and they are super teeny tiny. So you could definitely use those for shaker bits as well. So then there is the product that I went totally mad and insane about. This is the exclusive Sophie Toffee coffin mold with shaker lid. You guys, I am freaking, and you are definitely going to be seeing some spooky cute project shares from me in the very near future. So onto the third mold. Here we have the pumpkins, and it looks like it also comes with a little ghost, or a few little ghosts. Actually, they are super, super cute. Moving along, we get to the resin, and we do get a nice amount here. It will definitely be enough to complete the trinket box. And it says it cures in 6 to 12 hours, and it is their AB 2:1 ratio resin. So next, we also get some food grade shaker oil. It is the clear version. We also get some pink solid resin. And is it resin or pigment? Okay, this is solid pigment dye. So I'm not sure why it says solid, but I'm pretty sure that it is pigment, and it is a beautiful pastel pink. It looks like we also get some glow-in-the-dark moon sequins, and I absolutely love them. We also get these really awesome, super cute, oh my gosh, they are so kawaii. These little spooky cute open bezels, and we get a bat, a pumpkin, and a witch's hat. Oh my goodness, I love them. And then last but not least, we get the sticker sheet. So these can be used for resin or on your nails, and I am definitely going to be using these on my nails next Halloween. So here is a look at everything that came in the October Elves box. So we got the awesome trinket box mold. We got some little moon confetti, and they are glow in the dark. You get your resin, you get your shaker oil, 2 more molds, you get your pigment, and we got the bezels. All in all, even though it doesn't look like many items, this is actually a really, really awesome box. Okay guys, well that is going to be it for today's Sophie and Toffee unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to come back next time when we will be unboxing the May Elves box and also the September Elves box, which again both have awesome themes, Magical Tea Party and Japan. If you did enjoy this video, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.